You're in the frame with me, Julie, and in hours, like 12 hours. No, what time is it? 5, 6, in hours, more than 12 hours. We're going to Mauritius, bitch. Okay, so I need to pack. I'll be away for 2 weeks. I haven't packed for like a long trip in a while. I've sort of just like thrown things in a rucksack type of thing for a long time. And now I'm getting flued out, you know what I mean? I'm going driven around. I am allowed actually 2 pieces, but I'm just gonna check in this one bag, my baby who saw me through my first Euro trip, my only Euro trip. So I went through the internet looking up people's 2-week packing list, 2-week summer packing list, 2-week Mauritius packing list, and then I had a thought. What would Marie Kondo do? Okay, so first off, I'm not a minimalist and I'm probably not going to do what Marie Kondo would do exactly, but I find it very interesting the way that Miss Does It Spark Joy translates that into folding, packing, general energy around getting yourself ready for travel, which can be stressful. So that's cool. So what I do is I split things up into like vibe, category, activity, right? So hold on, let me get it. I'm gonna read from my notebook. So usually if I'm packing for like 2 days or something, literally I'll put Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, morning, evening, sleep, and then I'll put the stuff I need like camera gear, underwear, swimming, toiletries, whatever, that don't really work for 14 days. So what I've done is I've put down travel clothes / comfy day to day, pool / beach, and that is swimsuits and also cover-ups and like akikoi or sarong for the beach, for the sand if I'm at the beach. And it's the evening for dinners and parties and stuff like that if they are just in case. Hikes / workouts / active activities. Active activities, those are my faves. Toiletries, that's for face, body, and hair. My oils, my juice. Underwear, obvious, but a lot of people forget this stuff, so I make a note to write it down because you just never know. And then there's work / camera gear, which is my laptop, my camera, my tripod, chargers for everything, including my phone, and of course my documents like passport, yellow fever card, and I have soft copies of my passport. I probably won't print them maybe I will. I have a printed copy I'll put in here in case it gets lost. So first things first is Marie's very specific packing method. What, you didn't know we're not rolling our clothes anymore? Okay, so this is what you do. First, right, you touch the garment. You express gratitude to it, and you feel the vibe of the garment or something, right? Yeah. Thank you for being so yellow and uplifting, and for covering my nakedness. All right. Next thing is, as you can see, it's already kind of folded, but I'm gonna fold it just in the lines that were there, which is at the neckline, neck cut out. So you do that, right? I'm sure you can fold the sleeves back when they're longer than the midline, but I'm not gonna do that. And you fold it again, right? Stroke it some more. And then what you do is you fold it till it's almost in 2. And then after that you fold it into thirds. Wait, hang on, that's not it. Wait, I'll get it. Right? And Marie Kondo says, if a garment is properly folded, it should be able to stand up. Hey! On its own. So we're gonna do this with all the rest of them. So that's comfy day-to-day clothes done. I realized while I was doing it that I hadn't checked what the folding method is for pants and shorts, but I think I did okay. What I have read in other places, which I didn't hear out of Marie Kondo's mouth herself, so I don't actually know if this is true, but with smaller or lighter fabric things like this little thing, then it's more acceptable to roll them. Now, after this comes the actual packing. The method here is stacking clothes vertically, the way you folded them for them to be able to stand vertically, so that when the suitcase is in this position, which it is most of the time, unless you're walking, but you're not walking with your suitcase, usually if you're flying, majority of the time it's laying flat. So clothes on the top then don't like smush the ones at the bottom and crease them or mess with their shape. I buy it. Okay, so that's easy enough with the t-shirts. We'll see how it goes with the rest of these things. So what I've done is, like I said, I broke it up into activities or vibe or whatever. And so this is my everyday stuff and my just in case gear, like in case I need an extra t-shirt or just like a plain black pant. That looks really nice. I'm very proud of this. So clothes done. Now I'm gonna go into shoes or toiletries. Shoes, because toiletries are already actually packed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have running shoes / trainers for sports, hiking, all that. That'll be these. I wish I had a pair of black ones, but I do not. So that's fine. Little travel packing hack, right? So I have all these like drawstring bags from where. All these sorts of bags from stuff, like from companies and from events, and I don't know, they're just all over my place. I don't know if you have that too. I use these as shoe bags so that the shoes are not directly touching the clothes. These are clean for now, but you know, even when coming back, that's something to think about. And then I can use this bag for when I want to go to the beach, if I am going on said hike and I don't have anything else that's like light and sporty and waterproof. See, that's my question now. So do I put the shoes on top of the clothes? Because then that defeats this whole purpose of not putting stuff on. Marie, I need help. Shoes on top. This is the bottom, then it's fine for the shoes to be on that side actually. Never mind. I'll have a pair of sandals, but I'm gonna travel in these, so that's done. And then a pair of like cute fancy flats. A pair of flip-flops. I don't know where I put them. Aha! Pat. So that's 4 pairs. I'm really, really tempted to add in a pair of heels. Just in case. But I don't know if it's all the way necessary. Let's just see. Alright, so while I decide heels or no heels, I'm going to take you through my toiletries packing in it. So, well, that's just a body butter. It doesn't need to go anywhere. Generally, right, this is makeup here. I don't wear that much makeup. It's kind of just essentials. It's like, like a few lip pencils, a foundation, a lip gloss, concealer, and some sponges. And so usually I'll put my jewelry in there too. So a bunch of bracelets, and that's sorted. Makeup brushes in this foldable pouch. They're drying right now because I just washed them, but they slot in there. And then, woo! I got these a long time ago. I don't even remember where. But if I find a link to like a nice looking place, then I'll put it in the description. Makeup. This is toiletries and stuff. So I have in here just like my juice, as I was saying. What's in here? Yeah, just like micellar water, day cream, Vaseline. This is my leave-in conditioner that I'm gonna put in there for my hairs. And then I have this little jewelry box, which is small jewelry. Mostly earrings and rings and nose rings. So it kind of slots in there like this, which is cute. And I'll put this in here and just zip it up. Actually, you know what? I don't have space for this here. Whoa! Will it zip? Stay tuned. Yes! So, that's toiletries and beauty and stuff. It's a button from something. So that's all in there. Managed to fit the makeup in here and the brush pouch. So I'm gonna zip that up. Woo! Progress. One compartment down. Now, I like to use these sorts of pouches and pockets and zip bits for underwear and accessories like belts and stuff like that. I'm also gonna pack my tripod, which I'm using now to hold you up, in here because it looks very suspicious to a lot of people at airports. Like I always get funny looks like, what is this? Because it looks like a weapon. Mine, it's very old and like hard edged. So yeah, so this compartment is shoes, main toiletries, etc. Put that in there. Put these shoes in. This is an actual shoe bag. Again, I don't know where this is from, but if I find a good place, good brand that sells shoe bags, I'll let you know. Shoes. And then there's extras like a couple of notebooks that I won't need on the plane, an umbrella just because you really never know. My phone pouch for when I'm out jogging, running. This is the case for the tripod, it'll go in here. What else? Socks. So just overall packing trip that's not necessarily directly Marie Kondo related is that you should have like your first night's worth of stuff in your hand luggage. So that's if you're checking a bag, obviously. So what I've left out of here is toothpaste and toothbrush, one change of clothes, and of course the things that you're gonna need anyway that you would never check in, like personal computer, passport and stuff, obvious things. But I have left out of here my toiletries for like an overnight, basically an overnight bag is what I'm trying to say. That's a lot of words. Anyway, I have decided yes to heels. I'm gonna need to decide which ones. So, two choices for heels. These ones are practical, very easy to walk in, and a solid neutral color. These ones though make me happier. Which one sparks joy? These ones spark joy, let's be real, right? And I'm thinking about outfits and clashing colors and everything, but I think that I packed enough neutrals that if I really feel like wearing the heels, I can wear the outfit around the heels. You know what I'm saying? Spark joy. Spark joy 2020, okay? This is not very Marie Kondo. I don't remember seeing anything about her talking about packing shoes. All right, I think we're done, eh? So I gotta pack this tripod. I have some socks that I washed that I don't need to add in. But yeah, I think I'm done. Go me. In like 20 minutes, yes. Thank you so much.
It's number 21.
Okay.
At 12:30.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Welcome to Mauritius, ladies and gentlemen. For your safety and comfort, we request you, please remain seated until this aircraft comes to a complete stop and the seatbelt signs have been